Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility, which USB standard your device supports and the network speed you need. Next, lay out the PHY chip, RJ45 jack with integrated magnetics, and a small PCB. Once done, tin pads and test your soldering iron on scrap. Make sure to observe ESD precautions and verify power pin mapping. You'll build signal traces between USB D+/D- and the USB controller pins. Follow the datasheets as you route trace length and impedance carefully. You now solder the controller and PHY to the PCB, placing decoupling caps close to power pins and series resistors on data lines. Once components are secure, route D+ and D- traces with matching length, avoid stubs, and keep them near the ground plane for impedance control. Then flash the controller firmware that enumerates as a CDC/Ethernet device, set correct VID/PID, and define MAC and endpoints. Make sure to test connectivity with a loopback cable and monitor USB transactions with a protocol analyzer. You finish by assembling the enclosure and performing full tests. Connect to a switch, verify LED activity, and confirm link speed and DHCP assignment or static IP. Once done, run a ping and throughput test to validate performance. If you encounter problems, start troubleshooting. Inspect solder joints under magnification, measure 3V and V-bus rails with a multimeter, ensure PHY reset and clock are present, and check firmware logs for enumeration errors. Finally, reflow suspect joints and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.